Oh, good morning. You may have heard or you are just about to hear a tornado siren. This is a test. This is a statewide tornado drill. There's no severe weather right now. Alerting equipment is being tested across the state.
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a "This is a test" message. This is a test tornado warning for all counties in central Indiana. This is a test message until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a test message. At 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, this is only a drill. This drill is part of Tornado and Severe Weather Awareness Week. Treat this as if it were a real emergency and practice your emergency plans. Because of this test tornado warning, the normal weather radio weekly test scheduled on Wednesdays will not take place this week. Expected hazards include no severe weather was occurring or expected. Source: this is a test. The following impacts are expected. In a real tornado, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Even well-built homes may suffer significant damage. This is test. This is a test message. Locations impacted include all of central Indiana. This is a test message. Take this time to practice your tornado preparedness plans.
The sirens, once again, that you have been hearing are just a test. It's a statewide tornado drill. A lot of schools and even local businesses have been participating. It's all part of Severe Weather Preparedness Week. It's been going on all week long. Not only are emergency managers and counties getting ready for severe weather, making sure all the equipment works, it's also a way that you can make sure that you and your family are safe and ready to go. Make sure everyone in the family knows where to go, especially if there is a tornado. Make sure you put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. And make sure you have multiple ways to get alerts, including following the Channel 13 weather team. We'll be watching every storm passing on by, and you can see that coverage right here on Channel 13 and on WTHR+. We'll be watching every storm that comes in, and make sure you keep it local, keep it here, and as always, we'll keep you advised.
Superstar Jalen Hurts